Good morning everyone, this is Navneet Singh from R&D Lab Instrument, and today we are here to display you some hot air ovens manufactured by our parent company Ankit Hydraulics. These all ovens are distally operated. This is 18 by 18 by 18 SS material inside with SS grills, 304 SS seats, and outside is of MS with powder coated, PID controlled, and on off switches for operations. And this is our 24 by 24 by 24 digitally operated hot air oven, which you can see is very large in size. So this is also SS from inside, 304 grade sheet with grills, and you can see the fan there. This is all MS body, powder coated, PID, indicators, on off for fan and the main. So I'm going to switch on this one for you to see the quality that we deliver at very good prices. Power socket is connected. Now we have to switch on the main from this button. It says switched on. As you can see, it had started working. The initial temperature is set on 100 degrees, and right now the internal temperature is 48.3 degrees Celsius. So with set you can change your required temperature with the set button. Right now it is on 100, it is on 48.2, and now we will switch on the fan. It will gradually increase the temperature, and just see how stable our temperature is. I will take it to max 60 degree because we have to dispatch it today only, so it will need some time to cool down. So we will take it to 60 degree, then we'll switch it off. And there is no heating loss from the body as it is completely filled with glass wool to prevent the heat loss. Just to show you all one more thing, you can see is it working correctly or not. Just open the door latch and you see the temperature is decreasing or not. It will take some time to analyze it. See, it has started decreasing the temperature. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I can feel the heat coming outside. So we will close it. Let's see. So this is working perfectly fine, and we are completely open for orders from your sides. If you are a dealer or end customer, you can contact us. It can be used in any kind of laboratory, whether it is related to civil, pharma, textile, whatever. So it has reached 60 degree. Set temperature is 100, so gradually it will reach to 100, but we have to dispatch this unit, so we will stop the test here. To stop the test, I will switch off the fan first, then I will switch off the main.